Up first this evening, shocked and most unusual. That's how the Prime Minister has reacted to news that members of CMU's council had to sign non-disclosure agreements after going 8 months without a meeting. The Prime Minister promised to put the matter on Cabinet's agenda. The bombshell revelation was made in the Sunday Gleaner and follows the damning report by the Auditor General pointing to several financial and procurement breaches at the Caribbean Maritime University CMU.
A whistleblower told the Sunday Gleaner that members of the CMU Council are barred from publicly speaking about information obtained while they had oversight responsibility for the university. The non-disclosure agreement is valid for 5 years from the date it was signed. Members were first asked to sign in June 2018. Some were uncomfortable but signed anyway as they were required to do so. The issue was put to Prime Minister Andrew Holness at a press conference on Sunday.
That, like all Jamaicans, I was shocked that non-disclosure agreements could be used for boards, and that is something that we will have to look into very seriously. That is most unusual, and I would have to, of course, take advice as to whether or not that is permissible, and I will be doing so on Monday. This will definitely be a matter that will be raised in the Cabinet.
In the meantime, the Sunday Gleaner pointed out that during the 8-month period, November 2017 to June 2018, when the CMU Council did not meet, the university engaged contractors and consultants for works valued at over $205 million. None of those contracts was presented to the Council. At the press conference, the Prime Minister was asked when he knew about the Auditor General's report on the CMU.
I was aware of a draft report sometime in August, but I was never given access or sight of the report. And indeed, I still, up to a few days ago, a week ago or so, I would not have had the physical report in my possession. There was an embargo placed on it, and the Permanent Secretary faithfully kept the embargo.
The Auditor General's report pointed to poor governance practices, including procurement breaches totaling close to $218 million and close to $990,000. Staff were engaged without advertisements or interviews. The CMU Council has resigned in the wake of the scandal.